After watching a lot of YouTube videos, I think I found the one thing that you change as you publish your video will get you a lot more views. And I'm going to explain it to you in plain English because I've had to watch probably 15, 20 videos and try to figure out what these other people were trying to say in technogabble. But what it is see this page right here? People talk about public and private and all of that, but that's not as important as the one underneath called schedule. I'm going to go on a limb and say, schedule all your videos to be published 24 hours after you've submitted them to YouTube. Why is that? Very simple. It gives the algorithm a time to take a look at your video and determine who the proper audience is. Did you know that there are over 20 million YouTube videos being uploaded every day? That's crazy. 20 million YouTube videos uploaded every day. Now, to give you an analogy that makes this make sense, at least it makes sense for me, and if I'm wrong, please put it in the comments and tell me I'm wrong. But let's just assume you've written a children's book and you're taking your children's book to YouTube to have it put on the bookshelf. Now, if you just go up there and just say public right away, what will happen is that YouTube will just take it and stick it on any bookshelf because it hasn't had a chance to really look at it. So public right away and just, end and all of that, then YouTube says, all right, I'll put it out there and maybe somebody will look at it and maybe somebody will not. Now, if you say schedule it to be published in 24 hours, YouTube will have a chance to take a look at your children's book and go, oh, this needs to go in this group over in the children's aisle, and we'll publish it where people who are interested in children's books will want to look at it. So just, it's going to just, what's it going to cost you? It's going to cost you 24 hours. But please, just give it a try. Schedule, you can go ahead and still say public, but schedule it to be in 24 hours. And give YouTube a chance to take a look at it and run its analytics and figure out who the right clients are, the right people to look at it. So don't worry about private, and all of that up there and top. Just change the schedule and see if, on your next couple of videos, and see if that makes a difference. That's my tip for the day, and hopefully the analogy makes sense. You don't want YouTube just throwing your children's book on any shelf. Just put it, have enough time for YouTube to take a look at it and put it with the children's books so that people who are interested in children's books will look at your video. Does that make sense? If not, let me know. If so, let me know. Hopefully this was a valuable video. And as I say, as long as you keep watching, I'll keep posting. Thanks a lot. Bye.